Well, I got a pan full of wings, and I've got 3 different sauces. First, we have one of my favorites, the habanero mango from Wild Wings. And then one of my true favorites, new favorites, is the Yellowbird habanero hot sauce. It's got that tangerine juice. And then my last is a combination of the Melinda's ghost pepper sauce with a little bit of the other ghost pepper wing sauce and some of our Dave's ghost peppers. That is a super fiery. I'm gonna shake these all up, 4 each, and put them back in the oven to go and see how we do for hot wings tonight. And there we have our done wings, our habanero mango. It's like a sticky wing, very pretty seasoned, pretty hot for a bottled sauce from the store. Same thing with that Yellowbird, that tangerine. There's tangerine juice in that flavor, in that sauce. It makes it really delicious. And then my last, the combination of our ghost peppers. Deadly had the most heat, burned those lips, but our favorite flavor's got to be that one in the middle still with those that Yellowbird sauce.